address of the emergency.
I just have a question for you guys. Like if I were to shoot myself in the head right now, like how bad would that be?
Okay, I don't really know the answer to that question. Let me get you in touch with someone who can help you. Okay, stay on the line.
Sir?
It'd be pretty bad, right? Hollow tip knives, right?
Where do you live at?
You can't know that. Then it's like a secret.
Well, what can I help you with? What's going on tonight?
Everything's This life is I'm not even supposed to be alive. I'm not even supposed to be alive. I should have died last year. But for some reason, someone brought me back to life. But I'm gonna end it. I'm gonna end it all right now. Like, there's no way you're gonna bring me back from this night.
Why don't you talk to me and we'll see what we can do to get you some help.
I got the help right here in my head. I'm here that guy.
Okay. Cool. Have you gotten help before?
Oh, plenty of. I've been dealing with this for years.
Do you have a weapon on you?
Yeah, I got multiple weapons on me. Of course.
Okay, what do you have?
2 9mm.
What's your first name?
God. I've done this multiple times. I'm done with it. I'm ready to end it. Crisis isn't gonna help me, and they're gonna send me to CRC where I can sit in a reclining chair and be uncomfortable and sit around a bunch of crazy people while they tell me to take my meds. I'm done with it. There's no meds to help me.
Eli, you need to drop the weapon! Drop the weapon! Eli, you are going to be shot! Drop the weapon! Put down the gun! Watch the play. Where? He's past our cars. Walking west. Okay. Walking west. Hey.
I'm done.
Okay. I had to wait for him to clear the officer.